In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a Pareto chart in Microsoft Excel to better visualize the distribution of your data. So first, I want to highlight the data that I want to make the chart out of, which is going to be this data right here. Now I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and then from here, I'm going to click on Recommended Charts. From here, I'm going to click on All Charts, and I'm going to go down under the histogram grouping right here. And because a Pareto chart is kind of a histogram of sorts, I'm going to click on the Pareto chart right here. And here you can see this Pareto chart that pops out. And click OK. And now I have a basic Pareto chart of the salespeople by their sales with the greatest salesperson at the front and then going down towards the right with a cumulative bar on the top. Also, you can really format these charts like you can many other charts in Excel to really have it fit your liking. So for example, I can click on the plus sign right here and add an axis title, right, for if I want to. I can add data labels or a legend to make the chart a bit more visually appealing. I can also adjust the color of the chart and the style right here. I can also go through and, for example, change the fill of the data to be green. And I can also change the line as well to really just fit what I want it to look like. So I can make like a thicker line that's just a darker black color. So it pops out a bit more, for example. And I can maybe make it dashed. You really just kind of have to mess around with the formatting settings to get it to look like what you want it to look like. But that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.